Hey guys, it's Julie here at Luminberry, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade oat milk. If it suddenly seems like oat milk is everywhere you look right now, you're not alone. This is one of the most popular beverages on store shelves right now, and it makes a lot of sense. Oat milk is a seriously delicious way to do dairy-free. But the truth is, you can make your own fresh oat milk at home, which allows you to use fresher ingredients, is less expensive, and even allows you to put your own personal spin on things, like making your oat milk a little bit sweeter or making it chocolate flavored, etc. I really love making homemade non-dairy milks for all of these reasons. And in fact, in addition to this recipe, I hope you'll check out our homemade almond milk, which is another one of my favorite milk recipes right here on this channel. But in the meantime, I gotta say our recipe for oat milk is pretty fantastic. It uses super clean ingredients and shows you all the tips and tricks to making sure that your oat milk has the best taste and texture, as this type of milk is a little bit more than just throwing in some oats in with water and giving it a blend. But it's super easy, and once you know the secrets, you'll be making this recipe all the time. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel. You can get the full recipe at luminberry.com. And now let's make our awesome homemade oat milk. To a blender pitcher, we'll first add some filtered water. And then we'll add some rolled oats. To help boost the flavor, we'll add a touch of salt, a little sugar-free monk fruit sweetener, or you can use the sugar of your choice, and a touch of MCT oil. A couple notes on sweetness. First of all, trust me when I say that just simply oats and water on their own don't taste good. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of sweetness goes a really long way. Second, about the oil. Yes. Since there's negligible amount of fat in oats, you do want to add some sort of fat, in this case oil, to the recipe so that you get that kind of creaminess that you'd normally expect from milk. Any unflavored oil will do the trick here, like grapeseed oil or algae oil, but we like to use MCT oil because those medium chain triglycerides are so good for supporting long-term energy. All right, back to our recipe. Now we can blend together all the ingredients until the mixture looks milky and white. Then we'll pour everything into a fine mesh sieve into a jar with a lid, discarding the solids, and covering the jar with a lid. And we'll refrigerate this overnight to allow the oats to hydrate and infuse their flavor into the milk. After that long refrigeration, you'll notice the milk has separated, which is exactly what we want. We'll give the jar just a little swirl, but not a shake, and pour the oat milk into a final container, while taking care not to transfer the thick sediment on the bottom. Enjoy this finished oat milk straight from the glass, in drink recipes, or wherever you need a splash of delicious plant-based milk. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.